All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a quick look at Solana. So, we're going to stick mainly to the weekly chart here. It kind of lines up on the daily chart with the Fibonacci retracements where the prices are that we need to hold, which is pretty much the 45, almost $46 range. That's the ultimate price to hold here on Solana. You want to stay above that if you want a shot at breaking through the 618 here. So on this fib on the macro scale from the high back in November of 2021 to the low, we are trading now in this rising channel here. And all this support here for Solana turn resistance in this general area. We could just simply draw a support and resistance box in this price area here. And the price of Solana could potentially come back down all the way to this box down here, back to the bottom of the channel, and then do something like this. That is a potential. So until you break out of the 618 at 70, or you fall and you break back below 30, those are your two big prices to watch. We're either going to break out of this channel to the upside over 70, or we're going to fall down here and break below it below 30 and come to way lower price targets down here. Potentially $18 would be your target on Solana here. So let me get all this off of the screen really quick here and simply measure this from where you are right now. If you're going to continue going up, if you can stay above $45 from where you are now, a 28% move up to that $70 range, and then we'll see if we can break through that. If you break through that, the 786 at 125 is next for about 127% move. Of course, if you drop back down to the support here at the 0.5, that is about a 16% drop. But that is your must hold price if you want to remain bullish here, at least on the shorter time frames. So if you do drop 16% and you hold that 1580 or 4580 rather slash $46 range, then you need to bounce about 50% or so to come back up here to the top. And if you break out, of course, like I said, that turns it into 177% gain here. So right now it's trying to pull back. I'll show you that on the daily chart here in just a minute. But if you do end up coming back down and you take out that $45, $46 range, then you're probably coming back down here to the bottom. And you can see anywhere from a 45 to 50% move down to this 39 or $30 to $29 range here on Solana for a move kind of like this here. Just to give you guys a visual, maybe you end up doing something like this, and then you either move up or you're going to break $30 and this thing's going to start to break down here down to that $18 level. So yeah, I mean, we'll kind of leave it at that for now. We will go to the daily chart really quick here. I guess it's a good one to be trading right now, but I'm not good at trading. I always lose money, so I am not even going to attempt to trade this channel here. I'm just giving you guys the prices to watch. So, you know, potential pullback and a potential breakout. So nobody knows what's going to happen. So yeah, just watch those prices there. Let's go over to the daily chart before this update gets a little bit too long, just so I can quickly show you guys on the shorter time frame here from that weekly. You can see these nasty wicks that have spawned in, and if we simply draw a Fibonacci from the low here to the high, you can see we're holding on to the 236 at 53 and our 382, depending on where you draw this, of course. You can see right now it's at 47.60. We can take it all the way down here, and you can see that puts it at about $46 here at our 382, which lines up with that $45, $46 range on the macro scale of the middle of that channel. So if it's going to pull back and have a retracement here, watch 3% drop to 52. You take out that price level. That price at about 46 is a 15% drop. And if you come, excuse me, and if you come down here and you hold that for support, you're holding the middle of that channel. And then you have a potential to spike back up and get over that 618 at $70 here. So that's your short-term price to hold, is pretty much about $45, $46. And then you'll have a shot at that macro 618 at 70. But any lower than that, then there's a chance you're dropping all the way back down to the bottom of that channel we discussed on the weekly time frame here. So hopefully all of that made sense. If not, just kind of rewind and pause and take in those prices there on Solana. And of course, we'll update it again tomorrow and maybe it won't be so confusing. I don't know why it confused me right now. So yeah, with that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good luck, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.